Ohaneze bụ mụrụ nze m ọzọ ekenekwa m ụnụ biko ebe nọ na vidiyo anyị ụchasị m ihe ọma ya emeelụ nwoke meelụ nwaanyị. Echetere m mkpụrụ abalị ma ọ na-egala ga-ewetelu m unu this video kịta unu n'afọ na your screen. Asị m that na the Fulani Muslim man that ruled Enugu State in 1958. Watch the video now. Ewetara m that video wee na-asị ịmago kwuche ihe nkwucha so ekwuche na comments na-asị m that he was brought to Igbo land does not make him Igbo. Na-achị kedu mgbe si na ọ bụ onye Igbo. I made my things known there. Gwekwa unu si unu na mgbe ọ che datin mgbe o mee datin that it is equivalent to a modern day local government chairman. And I list out the three places Ochi because as of then everywhere Kadigodi jam-packed and merged as one. When we made that video, a lot of people could negative something at the comment section. Before then, I video soon now. Enugu community has been registered in a Muslim Guinea. The title of the video is all about Naija scream again. Enugu community sold Muslim community in Enugu. What really happened in Enugu State? You have a video when I say case we register Afobodo with a Muslim name. Register in a Muslim because now we carry out that thing now. The young man and Akwatina now there are these companies see Obodo Arabic na hacho bebea lolo hall when I have a Muslim community. How we present according to Ndibeha. We present na this social thing has been registered in a Muslim community. When we have it, and the mother say, it is not possible. How can a community be registered in Enugu State? Now I scream again now. Go I check and go put a loony or from a zoom or from Makunu and I go out and carry how they deal. Osigi C certificate of incorporation. Registration number 172299. The Registered General of Corporation Affairs Commission hereby certify that Ibrahim Ahmed Sani, number 1 person, Ahmed Zainab Sani, number 2 person, Shehu Laisit Jibril, number 3 person, and Ibrahim Hassan, number 4 person. Kirihame in duly alphabetical function of Ugu Anam Muslim Community Development Association. Kirihopota that now these 4 people came together, no Hamaji, in charge of Muslim community in that location. That Nihame they have Nahaji registered their Muslim association in CAC with these 4 names. With 4 names, Agwamun Suna Nandi Hausa Make Sazana. Izokale Handano Manana. Now how you register their Muslim organization and their development no then I again na have Igbo Muslims and they are again doing development fund. So in order for their organization you may see they have to go and register it in case na made anything a matter that they are duly registered. However again they are duly registered. Then when na comment section somebody will see and the person will see is will be bro listen. I am from that community. This said man have already built mosques in the community. Not only that, every Friday, Hausa Fulani troops in that community in the name of coming to pray. Nahana batana that community because now they buy that national converted to Muslim lolo ha mosque. Mana the guy na kwa ni holo gene no lolo ndebe ha development. No. When I say kedi ha o melende be ololo huzo, olo school, olo borehole, olo onenya ha permanent water, permanent supply oko. Ko we hozo na mele apart from that mosque ololalo. Then somebody will say make una youth for that community by him. When I Jewish community be that. Because I hope they are listening. Then it just here another person were there. Whether development or no development, this will later backfire to that community. I will tell you for free. Are you telling me that Islam rules and regulation of that man in question is different from others? Then they all have some agenda And when that time reach, that community will understand my comment. Yakwa the same thing now going. That in happen there. Now I was looking at now Zoya for the next 1,000 years. Kezi he butelo somebody register a organization ya imano ihe dị na Igbo register ya na CAC without phone. The community have every right to question you people. Onyanka will say they will not hear now. Maybe their own Quran is different from others. Or hear the person. When na listen na that thing now, get you onwelo ihe men get and go soon. Now, na comment somebody there. Or say, you cannot sleep on Delilah's lap and wake up in the bosom of Abraham. See, nobody is against Islam, but if you choose to convert Islam, please go back to the north. No Muslim community in the southeast has ever spoken about the insecurity in Nigeria or the damage of farmlands by Fulani Islamists. They see it as normal. Oceana, I grew up in the north. Those people have three agendas: pretend to be weak, climb to the top, and take over. Don't give them space now, or you will regret it. Ekiti today is paying for the price of what their elders did in 70s. Enugu, remember how a man once a mayor in that eastern region in the 1958. Muslims know how to drag land and properties. No part of Igbo land should be registered under any Fulani or Muslim name, even if it is a mango tree. When we take the video and ask them, it will not happen, it will not happen. Look at how things are unfolding before our very eyes. But there are some prominent people in Enugu State. Some prominent people. Actually, before I mention as we get that location now for ha conquer gear, house from the ha conquer before I mention they will conquer one local government on their own. They will conquer it and ask them where something now happen. Then is a complete video no call the one.
Ụtụtụ ọma ehihie ọma na aṅasị ọma ebe ọ bụla ị nọ n'ụwa niile. Onye na no near justice Ozobi. Ụmụnne m ndị Igbo si na-akpa akpa larụ n'ote. And ihe ọbụla emere mma bụ ihe mere mma. In all things, ka anyị try ya na-ejide eziokwu kwụba aka anyị ọtọ. Firstly, enwere video m mere one certain time ago. M na-ekwu okwu maka obodo a na-akpọ Ugwu Anamambu community. Onwe chetere the video. Ugwu Anamambu community dị na isi ụzọ. So on that video, when I call a man we create Islam na befa, we register the community as a registered as an Islamic community na CAC. After said and done, the man reached out to me. The man don't yafa anyway, and so he later reached out to me. We'll cover on his own side of the story. We'll cover him kias we roll on the befa mozo. Kias we roll my secondary school everything. See no more years na sele and debeha na blood that now. How one see from an existing autonomous community we keep since then anabasi amba the marbiash and all that. Na Islam bu religion ya. Not to go liakaya mosque na befa before all these incidents. That me more personally should come and investigate and see what is going on. Now look at what happens, because now when demand for the CAC really start the community, agent na the CAC we find out that now here the CAC na no a development committee can have, because I'm wonder can mad get to register a community to a particular religion. How possible is it? When I went through it and find out, because I'm like you find out not just a development committee, Islamic development committee. With all that things, so gets now commanders na alpha no understand na demand na current the mother and all that. The way the man were on his own side because he get side before balance equation. Where was no politics scandal they play. That more personally should come and investigate. Okay, but the man said that we should come and investigate with all seriousness. More justice also be, I will go there. Mana man kumbos mabia. Yes, I will pay an emergency visit there. Make thorough investigation in that community. Man, here na go bende ba anyebo. Odoro kwa mma. Anyị reach because of politics. You understand? Na akpụ ụmụnne anyị ashị. Because na this man, so many things ọ sị na ya lụgasị na buru na ọ ga-arụ ọrụ ebe ọzọ. A ga-asị na ọka mma n'ezi. Ọrụbakwa na-arụba na ben na unu na asụkwazi wayo ji wee ruo ya na onye Muslim. O nwere mgbe anyị ji wee sị ndị mmadụ ekpekwanere Muslim. Ihe anyị na-asọ nsọ anyị ji ekike against Muslim bụ terrorism. Terrorism. And all my critics against Islam, nwere mgbe nji asị na Islam bad religion. Yeah, ndị nke na-akpafa bụ Islamic movement of Nigeria, ndị Nigeria anya go na the way has practice their own religion. The difference from other world. Because I have been in Saudi Arabia, I have been in Dubai. I'm a practice Muslim nke man nke ndị Bible or extremists. That's the only area in our work in Islam. And well, so many occultic men, and with so many evil men, and with so many traditionalists. Kanokwa ba anyanya chupu go hamba. Mana anyị na-ekwu ya mmadụ eji na nke we mebili anyị nke anyị. So kudochi anu. Ugwu Anambra community, I will be there very soon. Ugwu Anambra dị na issues of local government. Akụkọ nụrụ adịgo too much. Achọghị m ịnụ na-akọnye nka ma ka esi eje court ma everything. No. Mmejiza ka m jee mee investigation. Mmeche mgba ya n'anwụ. Onye ọbụla ikpe mara ya, gwa ya na ikpe mara ya. And this man, onye ọbụla na-akpụ n'ọnụ, unu hapụ go there for now. Hapụ na demand for now. Hapụ go in demand for now. Because ekwu ike, I jebe deep na the case. Aka the man meche do ọcha, man like here. So hapụ na nwoke mmadụ ka anyị megodu our own research. Ndewo nke onye Chibigo ya zere. Onye Indroni of Justice Ozobi, the leader and founder of Igbo Youth Movement. Ụmụnne m, ndewo, daalụ.